Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So in this video, I'm going to ask you an honest question. I hear so many people say that they really want their cleaning business to get larger, to scale, and to have more revenue and profits. So I'm going to ask you a question. Have you done any of these to increase this type of action? Number one, are you getting more phone calls for quotes? Are you getting more traffic to your website to come out and give you a quote or a walkthrough, as we would say? Are you getting contracts? What activities are you doing? Not shuffling paperwork, but on the real deal. What activities are you doing right now to get contracts so that your business can grow? Remember, we are so close to the end of 2021. You don't want to have any excuses because the whole goal is to get you there within 12 months or less. So think about it. I want you to answer those questions. What are you doing right now today in your business to actually make you more profitable, be able to hire more customers, have more customers, hire more employees? That's the question I want you to answer. And if you want to learn more, then make sure you click the link below. What you can do is come to my free masterclass where I am going to show you exactly what you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So make sure you click the link to register, and I look forward to seeing you there soon. Take care. Bye-bye.